Hey guys, welcome to Unit 3. We've made it through 1 and 2. We just finished up our unit on careers as well as looking at our why, which kind of concluded with our videos about things that drive us and our passions and what makes us want to pursue those potential careers in education. Or even if we're not going into being a teacher or something along those lines, what drives us into wanting to make a difference? Whether with our own future kids or with students that we may work with. But now we're moving into the history of education, which has changed dramatically over the last 200 years, going from most students not having the opportunity unless they were wealthy, to some groups were able to get education, others were not. We had women and African Americans and different racial groups fighting for their rights. All the way up into the development of special education and education as we know it today. Some things have changed tremendously and other things are very much the same and probably haven't changed enough, which is where the next generation of educators will hopefully be able to continue to push us forward as we continue to change and improve the field of education. In this unit, you're going to have the chance to create with a hands-on project. You will not be allowed to use Google Slides or similar type project. The goal is that we're doing something hands-on. One of the biggest problems in education is that everything is through either writing stuff down or, in this case, typing things up, which is essentially the same thing. I'm going to ask you to use your creative kinesthetic ideas to make this project a reality. I'm sure you're going to have fun with it. We might also even have an opportunity to do a little bit of dressing up and having fun that way. Not like formal dressing up, but like dressing up for fun kind of thing. So stay tuned. I'm excited about Unit 3 as we look at the history of education.